Hello and welcome to episode 17 of How to Play Star Wars Galaxies. If you haven't noticed already, it's snowing and there's presents and there's trees in the background. This is Christmas time basically for Star Wars Galaxies. If you've never played, this is pretty cool. They don't celebrate Christmas. Instead, they have what they call Wookiee Life Day. Is just simply a day for Wookiees when they go back to their homeland and they celebrate life with their family, and that's about it. There's nothing special about it. They sometimes give gifts. There's a whole lot more to the lore about it, but that's the basics of it. I am in Derek and play at the computer city, and this is the town. When you come into a city that's going to be doing the event, there's only three of them. There's Wayfar Derek, I think is how I'm saying it. And there's also one I think is called, I'd never pronounce it like Doba Gerfel or something, or Gerfel, I don't no idea. But there's life day trees and there's presents. The idea is the presents I think are for the Empire. We'll be covering the mission in a second. And the trees are for the rebels. The rebels are going around decorating the trees. The Empire is going around smashing the presents because they think that there's propaganda and stuff against the Empire in the presents. So that's kind of the idea. But when you get to a city, especially when it's snowing. But when you come in here, there's going to be one location that has all of the items, the party is basically going on, and you may have a hard time finding it. It's not really obvious, but let's go ahead and hop on a vehicle. We're going to go find it. So we're going to drive around, and you'll notice at some point you'll find a big giant tree off in the distance. That is what you're looking for. So once you find that tree, just pretty much head towards it. And there you go. See all the explosions coming off of it. There's some pretty cool music playing this year too. They have the band playing. They have who they call Sean Dan. He's just basically kind of like Santa in a way, but not really. If you go up to the tree itself, it may be hard to see my cursor. I keep losing it in the snow. If you do the tilde key, the button next to the number 1, you'll get options. You can do the retrieve the life day badge. Badges go, or you can see them in your collections. And sometimes they show up down here. Yeah, it's like I have life day, like I got last year's and I got this year's. Then you can also get presents to look for gifts. You get an email. It says happy holidays. It says check your inventory. You have 2 special gifts for you. So go in our inventory, and you get these little boxes. Now also when logging on, they gave you this holiday ornament. I don't really know what the purpose of it is. I think it's just for an item, but they give you one. Why not give a decorated tree or something? I don't know. They give you a Life Day gift box, and it looks like a generic box. Didn't look anything special. And they also give you one that's for a friend. You can only open up the first gift box. Someone else has to open this. Now, the nice thing about this is find somebody who just got theirs and trade your boxes with each other, and you're going to get 2 gifts essentially. And I'm going to go off in the distance, and we're going to cut here, and I'm going to show you what happens when you open the boxes. Alright, so here we are. I like to just pull away so you can see. You can see how big that tree is in the distance. That's the whole city. But here we are, and I'm going to zoom all the way out. We're going to go back, and we're going to open it. And when we open this, you'll see crazy things. I got something kind of cool. You look around, things start falling from the sky. Seems to be a little bit buggy. Of course, it's a little glitchy right now, but all these trees and plants start growing everywhere. One big tree starts showing up. This is why I went out somewhere different, because this tree gets huge. It gets about as big as that one over there, and it used to be funny because people would do this in the middle of the cities, and you have this gigantic tree just spawn out of nowhere. Um, so it's pretty cool. But you get that, and you'll get one of usually like 6 items. I haven't checked all the items this year, but like I just got a fireplace. There's almost always a couple of paintings available. They're pretty cool, but you'll see. And it also plays with music. You'll see that they go away pretty quick. But that's about it. That's using the gift. So I'm gonna cut again. We're gonna go off and take a look at some of the other things that happened on this day. All right, here we are back at the tree, and I'm not gonna go through all this step by step because it takes a while, and it's really not hard. If you can't figure it out, then just get somebody to help you. It's really simple. There's a mission here from Sean Dan that if you click on him, you say, "What can I do for you?" And he tells you he ordered something, and basically just answers questions the way you think you would, and you go through it. And he gives you a quest. Go through his quests. I believe mostly they're like delivery type things, and just kind of go through them. The reward last year was the speeder, and there was even a thing to once you got it, if you deconstructed it, you could get a crafter to remake it, and it would actually be faster and better. So that was kind of cool. It was a new vehicle for the game at the time. I think you can get the same thing. The other part that you can do, and I'm gonna have to go all the way around here. They didn't make this easy to get to. Um, is this guy offers other quests and items. Basically, this is the part where you go around smashing the presents or decorating the trees, and you decide what you want to do. But you also can say, once you do things in here like decorating and whatever, you get special, I think, tokens, and they allow you to purchase items from him that are part of the life day. One of the cool things that a lot of people do is they get a holiday shroud. This can be used year round, but it can be used for other holidays that come around. So you can basically put like a hologram around your body and look like a totally different character for fun. Just to quickly show you some of the ideas, things you can get. Like this is the chip for the monkey lizard costume. Don't know what it looks like, but you'll get the idea. Here's one of the paintings. They have a couple of lamps for decorations and housing if you want to decorate a home. We saw the fireplace. Here's a rustic fireplace. Kind of cool. They have a holiday jacket. I believe all these things are tradable this year. The last couple years they haven't been tradable, and it's been really annoying because you you want to be able to trade and sell these items in the future because you don't necessarily want to be stuck with them. Um, One of the cool paintings was really nice. Another cool item, just a kind of backpack slash bandolier that has mods in it. Can be actually not too bad mods, especially for somebody who doesn't have anything. But basically, that's the game for the Christmas party. I'm not going to go into a whole much more detail because there's just a lot you can do and take a long time. But that's the basic gist of it. You can figure things out. It's really easy. Enjoy and Merry Christmas.